Hi, this is Nathan Neese, and I've created a website, N Squared Learning. And so on here we have a little bit about myself. I have started the Learning Technology and Design Masters of Science program, and so just wanted you to see a little bit of my portfolio for this class of Technology Planning and Administration. So we were tasked with a document about change leadership, and so I'm talking here about starting a new class at school called Scientific Entrepreneurship, or reinventing a class into this new one. And then here is my script for my SAMR and TPAC in action presentation. And then here's the actual YouTube presentation.
The student was too shy to ask for clarification on one of the steps. So along with the digital worksheet,
SAMR and TPAC presentation. And then we made a audio presentation of our 5 top professional online learning.
Hi, this is Nathan Neese. And these are my 5 favorite professional learning resources.
There you go. And then attached is the script for that presentation. And then here's the full 20 online resources, social media accounts, and other online resources for my professional learning community that I started. And then here's my vision and mission statement. My vision statement: to challenge students to expand the depth and breadth of their knowledge, build their faith on biblical truth, and expect more of themselves than they think possible as they impact the world for Jesus Christ. So that's my vision for teaching. And then here's my innovative plan for change. It's the presentation about scientific entrepreneurship.
For previous science class at Second Baptist School. I think now is the time to bring about instruction.
Those are the documents that we put together for this semester of class. And how do I plan on using that? Well, I have created a project-based learning unit for my physics class, and thermodynamics and the inefficient coffee cup. And so it goes through using the idea of project-based learning that I want to incorporate into the scientific entrepreneurship class. So there's an entry document that shows a real-world problem, and then gets the students thinking about what they know, what they need to know, and then has the scaffolding to build their knowledge, content knowledge, for creating a solution. And at the end, they will make a presentation to the manager of the Second Cup coffee shop, explaining how heat energy is transferred, what modifications they made to the original to-go cup, and then how those modifications help the coffee to stay hotter longer. So that's one way that I'll be using this new information about that we learned this semester. Thank you.